Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninjas. So in this video I'm going to discuss about different keywords like let, const and var. So first we discuss about JavaScript const keyword. This keyword is used to declare variable locally. If you use this keyword to declare a variable, then the variable will only be accessible within the block, similar to the variable defined by using let. So const keyword is used when we assign a value permanently to a variable. So when we try to change the value of variable declared with the const keyword, it will throw an error. The variables declared with var and let are mutable. That is, their value can be changed. But variables declared using const are immutable, means we can't change the value of const keyword. So syntax is, first we add the keyword const and then constant variable name. Here is example: const, then x is a variable name, then equals and assign the value like 12, and then we redeclared this value 13 and then increment. So this throws error, assignment to constant variable. It describes that the const variable can't be reassigned. So first we take one example of this. Open the Sublime text editor. In script tag we add const keyword, then variable name like a equals to 10, and next we redeclared it, a is equals to 11. So we can check this value, which value comes in a variable. So check this, save this code and see the result on the browser window. Right click, then inspect, then check the console. It throws an error, assignment to const variable. If you change the code, if you delete this line and save this code and see the result on the browser window, it shows the value 10 because x is equal a is equal to 10. We can't read declared. Const means we fix this value, it can't be changed, means immutable. So next is JavaScript let keyword. JavaScript let is a keyword used to declare variables in JavaScript that are block scoped. Two new keywords were added in the ES6 or ES 2015 version of JavaScript. This keyword is used to declare variable locally. If you use this keyword to declare a variable, then the variable can be accessible locally and it is changeable as well. Generally, it is suggested that we must use the let keyword while working with JavaScript. So syntax is, first we add the let keyword, then variable name, then assignment operator, then its value. So we take one example of this. First we discuss about the block scope. What is block scope? The variable which are declared inside the block are known as blocked scoped variable because let is a blocked scoped variable. So variable declared by the var keyword can't be blocked scoped. So Here first we take let keyword, then num is a variable, then an assignment operator, then assign the value 10. Calling the function inside the block, you can console.log and call this num variable. If you call this num variable after the block scope, means outside the block scope, that throws a error. So check this error. Open the Sublime text editor and first we add the block, in between that we add let keyword, then variable like num and value is 10, and call this value on the console.log num. Save this code and see the result. It shows the value 10 because num variable value is 10. If you change this code, if you add console.log outside the block, so it throws error. Save this code and see the output. It throws error, num is not defined because we are calling this variable outside the block. So next is block scope we are discussed, and next global scope. A global scope variable is a variable declared in the main body of the source code outside all functions. First we add let keyword and num is a variable and value is 10, so we call this value using console.log and num is a variable. Next we create a function, so first we add the function keyword, then add fun is a function name, and then calling this num variable inside the function, and next we calling this function outside the block, so it throws the value 10. Here the num variable is globally scoped variable and it can be accessed from anywhere in the program. So check this. Open the Sublime text editor. So we can change this. First we add let num is equals to 10 and add console.log, call this variable num, and next we create the function by using function keyword, and name of function is fun, and then add block, console.log, in between that we call this num variable, and you can also call this function outside the block. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. It shows both values num 10 and 10 because it's a global variable, global scope. So next is redeclaring variables in different blocks. The variables declared using let can be redeclared inside the other block. Here variable x is redeclared inside other block. So first we add let keyword, then x variable value is 77, and inside the block we can change this x variable value to 23 and check this value by using console.log x. After the block we call this x variable. So first we give the value x23 and then calling this value to 77. So check this value, open the sublime text editor. So we can set let is a keyword and x value is 77 and add the block. Then next we change this x value to 23 and check this value by console.log. Variable is x. After the block we can check this value console.log x. That gives different values. It gives first value is 23 and next value is 77. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. First value of x is 23 because x value inside the block is 23 and after the block is 77. So this is the result. So next is two newly keywords like let and const are block scoped, whereas var is a function scope. It describes the difference between the var, let and const. So take example to understand the difference. Example is, first we add let keyword and value of a is 2, and next we declare var keyword, variable name is b and value is 4, and next we declare the const keyword and variable c and we assign this value to hello. So check these values a and b, a b c by console.log. This shows the result of value of a is 2 and value of b is 4 and value of c is hello. So if you want to check these values after the block, means outside the block, so if you check the value of b, it gives the value 4, and if you check the value of c, it throws a error because c is a const keyword. C used by const keyword, it can't be changed or we can't be check this value outside the block. So next we call console.log a. Since variables a and c are block scoped, so we were not able to access them outside their block. A and c variables not accessible outside their block, so it throws error. So check this, open the sublime text editor and check this values. First we make one block, in between that we add a b c variables by using let, const and var keyword. First we add the let keyword and next we use the var keyword. Next we add const keyword and check this values by using console.log. B, and next we check this C value. After the block, we calling these three values. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. Right click on inspect, then check console. Here is the output. If we want to check the value of A, B and C inside the block, so the value of A is 2 and B is 4 and C is hello. If we want to check the value outside the block, so the value of B is printed only. A and C throws error because it uses let and const keyword. Let and const are blocked scope, so we can't accessible outside the block. So thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel UI Ninjas. Keep watching and happy learning.